NANDEZ, blouse and skirts are. When you use a campaign skirt, that's hard fret.
Yeah, because we were leading and concede game the 3-all, and I say, another year we go home at this stage again. And to see Idle help with it. I say kudos to Idle because they train at my field at Homestead. So I'm going to give all of the players from Idle some thank you tonight. Yeah.
All right, Jamaica College in a semi-finals. So what do you think about that?
Well, from the time we and them, we and JC play at Spanish Town Prison Oval, I personally knew we would have played them in the semi. I knew it. It was scripted to written. So, and this is finally a time where we gonna need a winner this time. And our game with JC, we've always been drawing. But this time now, somebody have to win. So it will be a good game at the National Stadium or Sabina. We will be there.
As a fan watching this game today, I know that everything rests on the game. If you see the game, I swing to and from, how you feel?
All right. To be honest, I didn't like it, but as a Man U supporter, I'm used to it. Most of Manchester United game is chaotic, end-to-end, midfield open. So I'm used to it, but I don't like this type of football game because it could. Excelsior got that last chance and hit the post. If that going, would have gone home, but.
You know ball?
No,
no.
I'm used to this. I remember we have been dropping out at this stage for like 8 years now. So I'm used to the disappointment at this stage, but finally overcome this hurdle, finally. And I'm so elated for the team. And
you feel like that this year we have a squad that can definitely carry home a trophy?
Yes, as long as the guys believe in themselves, they can bring home this title because Imani Cup is open. There's no clear favorite. The clear favorites, as they say in Mona, they are playing Walker Cup. So we have to just go out there on the day against Jamaica because many-time champions and just show our class. And you never know, probably get the result and go to the final. And if KCR or Idle come, beat them.
All right, big up yourself here, NANDEZ.
Yeah, man.
Massive respect.